These are tangles created last night on TikTok Live. They're so fun. The first one is called Scen-A-Berry because I actually created a scene in the center, and it has a guest appearance by Orby, who you'll see once this is completed. And the second one is Scen-A-Berry. Reason being, it kind of resembles a berry. It's kind of taking part of poke root and part of poke leaf, adding other tangles to it, but still making it its own very different and unique tangle. And what's really exciting about this tangle is you can do so much with it. You can have the top have many different tangles, you can add, you can weight it. There's so many things that you can do with the bottom of the actual root part or like the trunk. It was so fun to do, and I just kept creating more and more and more. This last one that I'm doing right here, well, I don't think it was the last one. It reminded me of Jiffy Pop. And so I didn't put the little swirl at the top because I thought it looked so much like Jiffy Pop. And so they're super cute. I added some shading at the end. So here they are. My Zoom classes are every Thursday at 7 Central. You can find the link under my link tree at my website. Have an amazing, wonderful